The Reggae Boyz have achieved their highest position in the FIFA World Rankings in 8 years after moving to 45th in the October edition. In June 2011, they were 38th in the rankings. Their jump comes after consecutive victories over Aruba in League B of the CONCACAF Nations League earlier this month. The move sees Jamaica now third in CONCACAF after overtaking Costa Rica, who slipped to 47th after 2 straight draws against Haiti and Curacao in League A. It's the first time since 2011 that the nation is in the top 3 in the region. JFF President Michael Ricketts believes there's more to come from the boys.
And this goes to show that the football is in very competent and capable hands, and the sky is the limit. I want to congratulate Coach Whitmore and the technical staff. We are heading to our final 2 Nations League games. Those games will hopefully continue to propel us up the ladder. We want to win these and win them convincingly as we aim to stay in the top 6 leading to the hexagonal stage of the World Cup qualifiers.
Mexico lead the way in the region at 11th in the world, while the United States are second on 23rd in the world. Jamaica will need to remain in the top 6 in CONCACAF by the June 2020 edition of the